Shubor na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Hadian Shisngi Balami Gajingkano Nakalyang Kakunhun All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association Bagaladon Gajing Shale Shiliang Kmat Haki Pulit Pynïaid Kali Kibom Ailat Eki Tourist Taxi Kamai Banyeng Haki Banta Jong Khyndailad U Superintendent of Police Ka Traffic Ka East Khasi Hills District Uke Prasad Bulong Bakani Gajingkano Le Shiliang Kmat Nakatanat Pulit Pynïaid Kali Yaki Trairi Kalong Ka AKA Ka Babakla Namar Nakalyang Katanat Pulit Pynïaid Kali Ka Le Hik Nakabanta Ka Baha Kamyat Jong Baro Ki Nong Shong Shnong Gajala Khlem dale Shiliang Kmat Yanuru Khyndailad Bet Kat Ki Kendon Ai Kumban Shukdo Hangni Bhaka South Tarik Ubnai Leber Ahjar Pesan Ka AKMTTA Hapo Ka Jingalam Jong President Ka Kenhun Uba Arikal Dinas Doling Kalalit Bani Kendo USP Traffic Halor Kani Ka Jingyai Syak Pendik Jong Ki Kali Ki Berkeno Baka Judan Ka Jing Syak Be Baka Jing Syak Knap Ki Kali Kamai Tourist Haki Pulit Pynïaid Kali Hakapor Prash Teng Haduk Khandai Beji Minstep Khyndailad Kabalakta Shikadai Yaki Paradok Parasnam Ki baju penyeng kali hagati ki benta. Uprasad ulaong banagalang ki Pulit Pynïaid Kali kila ai jaka ki teki tourist taxi bakin penyeng ki kali jongki hajan ka office SBI kabadan Khyndailad bad kumjuru la ailat ki bakin penyeng ki kali Khyndailad hadu kapor new steng minstep hendai ki teki nongnya kali kamai tourist pan kila le kat bakimon bad let ban penyeng ki kali jongki hajan ka Vivanta Hotel bad ka City Hut dhaba. Habede bagajing keno ke AKMTTA Bakadan ke Jingshim Pisa habdeng ki Pulit Pynïaid Kali bat ki brio ki Pynïaid ka jaga penyeng kali Khyndailad ban ailat pat yaki kali tourist na Assam ban penyeng hakate ka jaga penyeng kali uprasad ulaong bakani ke jingkeno kamdei ka shisha hendai ka detang ke jingkeno ka Khlem nongrem bat Khlem dadan yaki Sakhi sabut ki babyang ulaong baladadan kinu ki brio ni ki Pulit ki Shim Pisa katkum ke jingkeno ki patba ki laban wan ujor shaki bor Pulit hendai lada ki long tang ki jingkeno Khlem ki Sakhi sabut babyang kita ki jingkeno ki laban Ngat Kylla haki kendon ki bating e.
Good afternoon to all of you. I just want to give the clarifications regarding the news item which was aired through the respective channels, news channels regarding concerning the parkings of the tourist taxis. As regards to that, I would like to mention here that yesterday at around 1:30, the presidents of all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Association along with their members, they came to my office and they submitted applications that they are subjected to the discriminations by the STPs in terms of the parking, whereas the Assam vehicles are being spared. So the matter is not this is not a fact that the STP is maintaining any kinds of the reservations or discrimination against anyone. The matter was raised regarding parking of tourist vehicles at the stage of the City Hut Tower and the Vivanta hotels. Actually, what happens that in the last year only, in the mid of the month, a meeting was organized by the additional deputy commissioners, transport, along with all the tourist taxi driver associations. They are having 9 associations and they work in solo. They are not coming under the one umbrella. So therefore, in order to sort out the issue of parkings, the meeting was organized at Police Reserve and it was mutually settled by allotting the parking lot at the SBI parking lot. SBI parking lot is opposite to the SBI, there where you can accommodate at least 35 to 40 vehicles at one time. So they mutually agreed that they will start parking the vehicles there and they will not park the vehicles in and around the Police Bazaar or other areas. We have given also the space to them that in the morning they can park the vehicles, the tourist vehicle they can park in Police Bazaar area till 7 am in the morning, so that they can carry the passengers who are bound for the different destinations. And after 7:30, since the traffic starts, we allow these people to leave the places. Thereafter, what it happens that they start parking in different nook and corners of the city. And the most important part, which I would say, that it is being mediated by the middleman, so-called the dalals. So these people, they arrange the parking of those vehicles at different locations which are restricted area and where the parking is prohibited. As you know that the traffic conditions is more in Shillong city, and in order to provide there's space for everyone. We have to regulate the laws and we have to enforce the laws. And as the same the traffic police they are doing, they are not making any discriminations. We don't have any reservation towards anyone when it comes to the checking of either tinted glass or maybe the retrofitted vehicles or maybe the errant parkings. We are enforcing the law in letter and spirits. And above that, in order to sort out the issues, now the government they have already notified 7 sectors in entire Shillong cities, which will be headed by the additional district magistrate. Like the line departments, the PWD also will be there, the MODA will be there, the municipal will be there, and that the police officers, the concerned in charge of that particular traffic branches also will be a member. Their job is to regulate and see the possibility where the traffic can be eased, where the parking can be provided, and they will work out in coordination with other stakeholders also, so that the traffic can be eased in and around the Shillong city. So that matter was informed to the residents that if any grievances are there, we have already given the allotted parking, and that was mutually agreed by them that they will park in the designated location only. But apart from that, they started parking and they are insisting to park the vehicles in and around the Vivanta and the city hot dhaba, which are not being permitted. And giving the counter allegations as such, the police are indulged in collecting the money, thereby allowing the space for others. That is not the truth. It is a baseless allegations and it is unfounded. For that reason, I have already made an inquiry with the respective in charge, the officers and the personnel. We have already spoken to them. I would like to stress on this point that if any grievances are there, if any person is aggrieved by any illegal activities being carried out by any police personnel, they are free to come to the SP's office, where the SP sir is there, SP city is there, we all officers are present there. We will inquire into the matter, and if anyone is found guilty or proved to be guilty, then strict action will be taken against them. So these kinds of the making the allegation which is unfounded, without substantial evidence, which tantamount to the defamation also, and may invite the legal actions. Because the police department as such is working in cooperation with the public. We are a public servant and we are trying our best. The traffic police, the STP, they are trying their best to deliver their best in order to decongest the city. So I would urge the concerned associations that they should refrain from making such a statement without any base or substantial proof. That is not only tarnishing the image of one individual, but it tarnishes the image of the whole police department. That's all I have to say. So these are the clarifications that in case if any person is aggrieved by any activities or any illegal activities being done, or they are aggrieved by a certain act or any misbehaviors, they should come. And we are very clear that we work without giving any mileage to anyone. The violators, we are going all against the violators. We don't have any reservations towards anyone. And we are not the partial that we are just doing to one party and we are giving a space to the other party. By giving these kinds of the statement in order to gain the mileage will not yield any successful results. So I would urge the citizen concerns that let us work in cooperation and coordination so that we can make the better and safe place. See, regarding this, I would just give the clarifications because this thing has not come to the notice. Okay, sometimes it all happens that the police personnel are not present there. Once you have already claimed the vehicle, the police personnel he left there. So another vehicle he comes and after then he parked there, which goes unnoticed. So these kinds of the situation definitely we will take care of that, and we have instructed all the traffic personnel that we should work without any bias. Police are not working with any individuals. Nor the police they are taking support of any individuals. We have our volunteer home guards personnel. They are assisting in managing the traffic. They are the authority, and we do not maintain any kinds of that relations what they have arranged. That's what I said earlier also, that if any kinds of the grievances are there, they should come to us and they should inform us that these are the grievances. We will go and make an inquiry, and if anyone is found guilty, definitely we will initiate the action against them. They were present. This association also was present, and this was decided after deliberations. After hearing all the taxi associations members, after taking their consent, it was decided that this parking lot will be allotted for them so that they can park their vehicles, and they will not park the vehicles in and around the Shillong city. Regarding this, now the Shillong city have been divided into 7 sectors. Okay, so this is being headed by additional district magistrate, where the PWD also will be there. That the road belongs to the PWD. Then the municipal also will be there. The MUDA also will be there, and they will decide the matter. If any things are there, they will see that which are the places which are feasible for the parkings, and they will take up the matter with them.